In this short video, we'll look at installing Dragon Professional Anywhere on your PC or Windows server. First, download the installer. You'll find the download link contained within your Welcome Kit email, which will be sent to you at the beginning of your subscription. Double-click on the installer to run the installation wizard. You now have the choice to install for all users of the PC or only for the current user. Note that the All Users option will require admin permissions. In this example, let's install just for the current user. Simply click through the wizard and enable the option to create a desktop shortcut. The installation is complete and Dragon can be launched by double-clicking on the desktop shortcut. We can now sign into our account using the default password that's provided in your Welcome Kit email. Note that you'll be asked to change your password when first signing in. To have Dragon remember your microphone and language selection options, check the Always Use when logging on box and click OK. We're now ready to start dictating.